I do a lot. I tend to do quite a lot of 2D tracking. So I thought, well, let's do 2D tracking comparison, right? So let's get the old blend. I know you can do the prefetch, so it's all cached, and then Control T. That was blimming quick. That's one thing. Blend is quick, and it's accuracy is not too bad, really. I mean, that's. Is there a way of centering around? I can't remember if we could center in things. That's always a very useful way of checking the quality of the track. So that's L. So obviously you have your point, your tracking there, moving around. And so just move it to wherever you want. Press L, that's locked. And now you can see when it tracks and when it doesn't track and how well it's tracking. In the main thing, how well it's tracking, because obviously everything should be locked there. And this is looking pretty good, right? And then it doesn't work. So we're just going to do track motion. And we need to be not okay. So again, over here, see how well it does. And I know it's not going to do very well because it's yeah, I sort of get quite mixed results with After Effects tracker. Oh, see, it's all jittery. That's not great, is it? And let's try to zoom in a bit more. Okay, let's make the thing a bit bigger so it has a bit of a better job at trying to. But to be beaten by a free option, that's not great, is it? Okay. Well, I mean, we need to. Now it's slow. Look how slow is that in comparison to Blender's one, right? So that's not great, right? Maybe okay. Let's reduce the thing. Let's try and make it a bit more fair comparison. Okay. Okay, that's a bit more manageable. Still, it's not as lightning. I mean, Blender's one is super fast. Did it just slip there? I was just while I was talking. We'll do it until it fails, and then we'll go over to Fusion's kind of my favorite, but obviously, obviously there's a free version, but it's let's just stop there. But I mean, most After Effects people I know tend to use Mocha more for tracking and tend to not use the point tracker so much. But I have found times where it's just like I just want to track a point. So anyway, you can see it's quite slow. All right, okay, is what I'm gisting at. Okay, we'll get rid of the old magic mask. Add the tracker. And Fusion has a few different types of trackers, I think, if I remember correctly. We had there's two types here. Okay, let's try again. And I found I sort of I just thought it was worth going through them all, right? See how well this one works for us. Super slow. What's going on? Is that too close to the edge? Oh no, off it goes. Just needed a. And so that's quite fast. How accurate is it? Yeah. So this is Blender's first place in speed, it seems. Fusion's second. But obviously it's got proper comp environment as opposed to. I mean good that we've got Blender's free thing, but you can see how quick that is. Right, that was good. Right, okay, now Nuke, and I'm trying to free my Adobe addiction. So I've bitten the bullet and got the Nuke Indie license. So tracker. Okay. Add. Okay, let's go something like that. See if that will do it for us. Okay, and off we go. Oh, we're at 1,000, and that's not helpful, is it? Stop. We've been starting the right thing. Okay, let's try that. Oh, but it stopped. And then we just need to. When I found that when it stops, you just need to usually make the thing larger or smaller. Yeah, it's not too. I mean, but After Effects is at the bottom currently, right? I would say for speed, obviously Blender, but accuracy is. I find that Nuke's is quite good, but it's slower. So if you're just after speed, it goes Blender, Fusion, Nuke, After Effects. If you're after accuracy, it'd probably go Nuke, Fusion, Blender, After Effects. I was just trying to think about that. There's like Pftrack as well. It's so adding a user track. So just your nodes and the tracking. Attach the user track, and then we'll stick one on. So I don't know, we're the same place again. Great. Stick it on, and then we'll see how awful it is. There's this one here. Oh, it's not too bad. I mean, it's quite quick, but Pftrack is quite expensive to rent. But that's not as bad as I remember it being. I mean, we'll see if we can we center the view around. I'm sure we could do that if we just hang on a sec. So we go center somewhere around here. Display. Center view. Right. Yeah, that's looking. It is better than I remember it being. I mean, it's constantly being updated, so maybe they've improved it. But I remember it's tight because you only need really 7 points, ideally 8, to get a 3D track. So yeah, that's Pftrack. Okay, so that's my little comparison between four programs that do tracking: Blender, Nuke, Fusion, and After Effects. Stop the thing.